All right, guys. Second stab at a Kobe tonight. Hopefully, it's better than Brent's Frank Nikita Koloff, whoever it is. So, box 52 out of 100. Looking for that Kobe or at least one of those other big names that's on the checklist. So, this is a random team break. Every spot gives you 3 random teams. So, I got 10 spots all together. Grant's got a couple in this. Brent, you've got 4 spots. Kyler's got 1. Raymond with 1. Joe with 1. And then Chris P. about to break up with me if I don't pull something nice for him. So let's see what we can get. So we'll go ahead and randomize the teams first. So let's mix this up 5 times. Steven, sorry, man. Sorry we weren't able to pull it for you. Oop. All right, so you're getting 3 teams per spot. All right, so we'll mix this up 5 times. Let's see who's going to get these Lakers. All right, here we go. So, Brent, you've got the Pistons, Spurs, Bulls, Thunder, the Knicks, the Pelicans, the Grizzlies, the Celtics, the Hawks. You got the Lakers, Rockets, and the Suns. Chris, you've got the Raptors, the Cavs, and the Sixers. Grant, you've got the Jazz, the Trailblazers, T-Wolves, Mavericks, Nuggets, and Nets. Joe, you've got the Golden State Warriors. You got the Bucks and the Pacers. Kyler with the Wizards, Kings, and Magic. And then Ray, you've got the Clippers, the Hornets, and the Miami Heat. Man, how far have we come where we're bragging about stuff that comes out of France? Come on. No offense to any of you French people. All right, so there's the shrink wrap. All right. Come on, Hit Parade. Do us right. All right, Fanatics authenticated. All right, it's a Bill. If that's Bill Russell, that would be amazing. That doesn't look like Bill Russell. So Fanatics authenticated. We're going to be trying to look up another Fanatics C of A, unless they wrote this one in here. Another one not written in. Oh, here it is in the bag. All right, this is a. Oh, I don't look anything like that last name. It's going to be a Billy Cunningham. So we went from Frank, a French guy, to old school Billy Cunningham. 66 to 76. Played with the Philadelphia 76ers, so that's who that's going to go to. And the Sixers will be Chris P. Chris, there you go, man. You gave me one last chance. And we pulled you something? Definitely doesn't look like Cunningham. But we got you something, man. It's definitely not getting shut out tonight. So congratulations to you. We'll get that basketball in the mail. And I'm going to have to grab another of these. We're going to have to try it again next weekend. Because we can't go out like that. There's too many big names in that checklist for us not to hit one of them. So we'll do another of these next weekend. So we'll try to get that loaded here over the next day or two. So appreciate you guys helping us fill that second one tonight. And we'll get that basketball in the mail tomorrow.